Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make fried rice like Panda Express. Heat a wok until smoking and add oil, then scramble eggs and set aside. Sear aromatics, add rice, soy, oyster sauce, peas, carrots, and cooked protein. Toss quickly to coat and finish with sesame oil and green onions for glossy, flavorful fried rice. For a balanced bowl, use cold rice and pre-cooked protein to keep stir time short. Whisk eggs lightly, mince garlic and ginger, and have sauces ready in a small dish. Heat oil until shimmering, cook eggs, then aromatics, add rice and sauces, fold in vegetables and protein. Finish with sesame oil and green onions for master high heat technique by moving ingredients continuously to create those slightly charred bits. Push rice to the edges to make space for aromatics and scrambled eggs. Add sauce sparingly, toss to coat each grain, and finish with a quick splash of sesame oil and chopped scallions to brighten the dish and balance saltiness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.